Dr. Love, what is wrong with your L.A. Lewis, brother? Uno gone totally mad or uno get insane or what? Uno stop the craziness, man. Uno take this thing too far now. You understand? Uno depend on some different kind of foolishness and uno just like uno try to shove this thing down people throat and go on like uno have no sense. Uno stop the foolishness, brethren. Uno a wave Rasta flag and a call up Selassie name and a go on with all them stuff pan river like uno no have no sense. Eh? Bob Marley supposed to turn in a grave when he see man like uno a behave them kind of way. Man like Bunny Wailer, Luciana, Burning Spear. I don't know they behave like this and keep up some little foolishness. Man, if you cut out them things and grow up, man. I'll let Louis say my Rasta and watch how him behave. You don't need to recheck on yourself, brethren. You understand? You don't disgrace Rasta and you don't disgrace Jesus Christ himself by behaving like that. You don't need to recheck on your life, brethren. Make a changes. That is not the action of a man. You understand? A fool in it should not keep up. Recheck on yourself. Dr. Clint said that. I'm out. No, people. I saw a video with L.A. Lewis and Dr. Love. And this is a total disgrace. No, you not take it too far now, man. You don't need to do better than this. L.A. Lewis and Dr. Love. You not disrespect Jesus himself and you not disrespect Rasta. You understand? You not have the Rasta flag a wave. You not should have drop off in that water and drown. You understand? A fool in it should not keep up. You not take this thing too far. Bob Marley supposed to turn in and grave when him see all them a kind of foolishness. Man like Luciana and Capleton them. They need to attack on for all them foolishness I wanna keep up, brethren. A full time now, you not go too far with this thing.